Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about Alt. Alt is a new analog synthesizer that looks really different primarily because of its layout. It features 5 voices, each with different wave shaping possibilities. The 5 voices are not grouped in 2 or 3 oscillator blocks, but it instead has an oscillator for each voice, giving you 5 independent oscillators. Each oscillator offers frequency and amplitude control on the sliders with wave shape and stereo pan control for spatial sounds. There's also a harmonic quantizer with scale support. And then once you choose your scale, you can play melodies with the fader or quantize the pitch modulation. The signal then travels into a stereo filter inspired by the legendary aggressive Korg MS-20 with low pass and high pass settings. Parameters, cutoff, and resonance are also implemented with these sliders, and then it all goes into a stereo delay. The delay features infinite feedback. One of the highlights of this synth is the pin matrix modulation. It is used to connect modulation sources with destinations. And with this synth, you can work with 4 adjustable modulation sources that can be patched into up to 17 destinations. On the mod source side, you get 2 LFOs, a random step generator, and an envelope follower. There are also light and sound sensors that the synth can interact with as well. Here is a list of the ins and outs. We have power in, a power switch, a scale switcher, 1 per voice, MIDI in, CV in, pitch and gate, outline in, headphone out, left/mono out, and then we have a right out. When it comes to availability and price, you can get this synth ordered on Kickstarter. The starting price is 990 euros. The estimated delivery is February 2025. What are your thoughts on Alt? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. Peace out.